Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back again. So the other day I was pouring and I had this idea in my head and it totally didn't come out the way that I wanted it to. And I ended up repouring on it. But now looking back at those photographs, I'm really intrigued by what happened. So I want to try and recreate that mistake. So not being a mistake this time. So what we're going to do is we are going to use black, Bordeaux red, and soft gold in a straight pour. And last time I did it, okay, so this soft gold is kind of strange. It doesn't really look gold all the time. It looks kind of silvery. And I think what happened is my black was thin, so my soft gold kind of blended with the black, and the Bordeaux kind of blended with the black. So I ended up with this kind of black cherry color instead of really red. My colors are this Blickcrylic, Mars Black, and DecoArt Americana Metallics in soft gold, and Arteza Bordeaux Red. I was hoping initially for a red background with black and gold cells. That sort of worked, but not really. Then I did it again with a black background with red and gold cells, and that kind of worked. But when I tried to do that on the big canvas, then I got that black cherry color. So I'm hoping I can make that happen again today. So now that I've showed you those, I'm going to get rid of those and get my pouring cup, and we're going to get started. So this is a 20 by 20 canvas. I usually like to put down about 17 ounces of paint on a 20 by 20. This is a Catamount Flameware cup. I love these things. They're kind of pricey. You can get other ones though on Amazon for like $15, $16. Just Google or search for a glass beaker with a handle and it should come up on Amazon. So, okay, 20 by 20 canvas. This is something kind of neat that I do. I put my pins in before I even take the plastic off, and then when I'm ready to use it, just peel the plastic off, and my canvas is nice and clean and ready to go, and I don't have to stress. So hopefully this one is level. The last one that I was working with was a taco. We went through all this to make sure our table was level and everything was great, and then my canvas was a taco, literally. Okay, I'm going to move that there so that you can see me pouring the colors. So, consistency. Let me tell you, my pouring medium is the Liquitex Gloss Medium in Varnish. And I got to tell you, I'm loving the way that that dries. It's this amazing, beautiful, lustrous sheen on there. That's not very, very like hard and plasticky, but it's definitely tough. So, I don't even think you need more varnish on top of that if you're using the spray or the varnish in the pouring medium. If you really want to, I've been using Golden's Archival Gloss Spray, which is awesome. Okay, so let's do this. 2 cups. I'm shooting for about 17 ounces. I am going to do a straight pour with my black as the first color. So here we go. I'm not going to put, well no, I am going to put a lot because I'm trying to recreate that. So I'm probably going to put about half a cup right there. You can see half a cup. And then, let's see, did I put my gold first? I'm going to put the red in. Look at that beautiful color. Can you get close in there? Look at that. Just gorgeous. So, oh, I started to tell you my pouring medium. Liquitex Gloss Medium and Varnish. And put the paint in. Wait, hold on. Let's do this first. I'm going to put 1/4 of a cup just to start with. I'm going to do multiple small layers. So, gloss medium and varnish and paint, and then a little bit of water. And then, once that's all really well combined, then I mix my Floetrol in. And that's it. So, sorry, I'm concentrating. You wouldn't think pouring 2 colors in would be stressful, but isn't that funny how it was like, at the time I did it, I was unhappy because it wasn't what I had in my head. And then when I was looking at it, I was like, wait, that was really cool. I would have kept it, but my canvas was a taco, and everything started rolling towards the middle. So I was really upset. All right, so we're there, about 17 ounces. So I'm not pouring a base coat. I am going to use my base coat paint as a flow extender around my pour, but I'm going to do my pour first. I'm going to put a little bit of black down though, just in the center. Actually, yeah. Let's put a little bit of the red down. That'd be cool. Very red. Alright, I should put my gloves on. I don't want to be dumb. That black, man. It's so hard to get out from under your nails. I feel like I spend maybe about an hour total all day long washing my hands to get paint off. Because I keep going and touching things, you know? I wash my hands and I go back in the studio and then I pick something up to move it or whatever and then I got paint all over my hands again. Okay, here we go. That's so pretty. Alright, so I really love the way the soft gold and the black kind of mix because it gives this like smoky graphite sort of. Here we go. Yes. This might be a little redder than last time, but that's okay. But it's this beautiful like black cherry color. Don't go over the edge. Do not go over the edge. Okay, I'm going to stop there. Yes. This might be a little redder than last time, but that's okay. But it's this beautiful, like, black cherry color. Don't go over the edge. Do not go over the edge. Okay, I'm going to stop there. Nothing is level. Okay, so we have an oval. Okay. I'm going to go gold around it first. Because I want it to roll over the gold. I want it to eat that gold, kind of. And then I want to have the gold sell up when I roll it over the edges. That's my evil plan. Okay, now we're going to do some black. So my theory here is to keep your center intact. Use less pour in your center and more flow extender. Of course, my canvas is not level, so it's not really cooperating or letting me show you that very well, but it's okay. Alright, I'm going to turn it this way. Go that way if you want to. Let's put some red around there too. I mean, since we have the paint, you know. Okay, I love this color. I really do. It's so pretty. I wish I had lipstick this color. I do have lipstick this color. I should have worn the lipstick. Ooh. There's like serious construction over there and they're dumping big garbage bins. Do I want to torch it now? No, actually I don't. Because I don't want all of them to form. Alright, let's move this baby around a little bit and see where the paint is. And see, it's rolling over that gold, which is good because that's going to give us those beautiful little gold cells around the edges. Let's go to that corner now. So at this point we're trying to cover the canvas with our paint and distribute it evenly. We're not quite worrying about composition yet because it can change in a heartbeat. Okay, now we're going to go over that corner and see that flow extender is what goes off first. And then we come back. That corner now. Nice and easy. There we go. Bring this back to the center of it. Okay, so at this point we need to figure out what we like and what we don't like. I like most of it. I like all of it actually. This is kind of cool, but do I want to keep it? Because if I don't want to keep it, now is the time to get rid of it when it's still sloughed and it's soft. Sloughed. I just keep making up all sorts of new words for myself. While the paint is still very wet and it's close to the edge, if I did want to get rid of it, now would be the time. And I actually think I do want to get rid of it because it's interesting, but it's not interesting enough to be a focal point. So I'm just going to slide that right off since it's at the edge anyway. And that's also good because it's going to stretch out our top a little bit more. So stop there and bring it back to the middle. Take this edge down a second. There we go. And now we get to torch it. Let's fix this corner up first. Before we put any heat on it, let's make sure our corners are covered. So this is not quite as dark as I had it in my Happy Accident. But I do like this a lot. It's very pretty, and I think when it starts to dry, that gold is going to start to shimmer a lot more. Okay. That's looking pretty good, actually. Okay. I like it. It's very cool. Okay. Torch. I'm up high. There's a lot of cells in here. The wind. You're late. You already poured. Okay. So, let's look at it. I like this a lot. There's like this beautiful, sort of very flowy, not crazy about that big amoeba over there, but it's okay. I don't want to tilt it anymore right now because my cells are all starting to come up. And if you can see, there's these very cute, tiny little, perfect round ones that if I tilt it now are going to get very distorted and start to look like that. And I don't want to do that. So, this is it. This is how it's staying. The only thing I'm tempted to do is just, yeah, I'm going to do it with the gold. Just take my stick and just sort of spread that out a bit. Okay, I'm going to stop there before I screw it up. There's a very gold line there, but that's okay. I can live with that. I should not touch it anymore. I really should not touch it, but it's so tempting.
Just walk away.
What voice is that? Okay. Oh, is that what it is?
Just walk away, and there will be an end to the horror.
Okay, I'm gonna torch it one more time, actually, because I still see a few more air bubbles. Okay, wait, are you gonna blow them? Then go ahead, blow. The wind is like, actually, it feels lovely to have this nice breeze, I have to be honest. Okay, let's start it again. I see a whole bunch of things under the surface. If I can get them to come up higher, it'd be great. Torch that too, so something happens. But I'm not moving it. Notice I have not picked it up. I have not moved it. I want those cells to set up there in that shape. Okay. So that's it. I'm going to call this one finished because I do like it and I think it's really pretty. I don't have enough red left to do another one, so oh well. There is actually paint in there and that's very tempting. So let's end this before I'm tempted to pour that on there because I don't need to and I like it. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. I will take some pictures and some close-ups and I'm sure I'll see you back in a second or two. Bye. Okay, so this is the dried result. This has also been varnished. This is my favorite part up over here. These little gold cells with the Bordeaux red in the center. And I love that you can see the black in the background there. And then also the paint is very sparkly because of the straight pour using the soft gold. And you can see how that soft gold changes colors. Oh, look at these cells right here. This one with the red around it and then the black and then the gold and then red inside. And then on the right of that is that really bright one. And then over here it's almost like ice bubbles trapped under a lake. Just very, very pretty. I love these colors together. And again, we have some more of these little gold cells. I'm very, very happy with this piece. I really like the way that the black mixed with the soft gold and the Bordeaux and gave us that beautiful black cherry color. It kind of reminds me of, what's that drink? Is it a Kir Royale with the black cherry liqueur and the champagne and all the fizzy little bubbles? So this is my black cherry fizz. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys for the next one. Have a great day.